We're camping in Big Bear, California, and it's going to be a cold night. It's time to cook dinner. Next on Mission Off Road. I'm in charge of dinner tonight, and I brought my Blackstone Adventure Ready 14-inch griddle with side burner. I love this setup because it cleans up really easy. The griddle area is large enough to cook for plenty of people. The side burner allows me to make soup or coffee without having to bring an extra appliance. The only thing about this griddle is you can't use metal utensils on the surface or else you'll scratch it. This is not the same as their heavy steel griddles, but I still enjoy it. It's cold tonight. We're going to start off with Campbell's chunky New England clam chowder. You can't go wrong with clam chowder on a night like this. I got 2 cans. We're going to boil it up in the medium pot that comes with the GSI cooking system, which fits perfectly in the side burner of this Blackstone griddle. The chowder heats up quickly, so I like to stir the soup to make sure it doesn't burn at the bottom of the pot. Even though the fire is at the lowest setting, it still comes to a boil fairly quickly, so I push it off to the side to lessen the heat on the pot. So I'm trying out Ben's original Ready rice pilaf, and this is the first time I'm using this Ready rice product. My wife picked up a couple of ribeye steaks for me. She seasoned it with salt and pepper and parent sauce. And here we have some asparagus. We're going to go ahead and start off with some soup while the steak is cooking. Like I said earlier, it is cold, and this is really going to hit the spot. Using the frying pan that came with the GSI cooking system, I'll pour in a couple tablespoons of water for the rice pilaf. What's cool about the system is the cover also covers all the pots and the frying pan. I like the asparagus, not too firm. I like it with some color. The steaks are definitely done. They came out to about a medium well, and the rice was truly quick to cook. You're basically just steaming it underneath that cover.
Should have asked her if there was an active barrel. Last
Getting
minute.
last minute calories.
Yeah.
So what are we having? What are we drinking?
Apple cider bourbon.
Apple cider bourbon.
Sure.
Cheers.
Cheers.